We are starting the new section, that is the grade 8 mathematics CBSE chapter number 12 factorization exercise 12.1 question number 1. We will start with the first question, that is the find the common factors of the given terms. So the terms is, first example is 12x and 36. Here we need to find out the common factors. So that first of all we need to do the factors of the given number. So 12 can be factorized as 2 into 2 into 3. If you don't know how to factorize it, if it is a 12, it is a even number, it will be divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12. Again 6 is a even number. Again 2 3 are 6. And 3 is the prime, not even number, so it can be divisible by 3 itself. So factors of the 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. We will always write down the upside down the factors, and the whatever the variables with the power that will be appear that much time. Now 36 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now we need to find out the common factors. So common factors of the 12x and 36 are. So here it is the 2 which is the common among them. So we will write 2 here. Again here 1 2 which is the common, and 3 is the common. So we will write the 3. No, other than this nothing is the common. So these are the common factors only. So taking the product of them, 2 to the 4, 4 3 is the 12. So common factor is the 12 of the 12x and the 36. So 12 can divide 12x and 12 can divide 36. Okay. Next second example, 2x and 22xy. So 2y can be written as 2 into y. This is the multiplication sign. Be careful while writing the x and the multiplication sign. So make a differentiate between the both the terms. Second is 22xy. Again 22 can be factorized as 22 is the even number, it can be divisible by 2. So 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2. Now 11 it is itself is a prime number. So 11 1 are 11. Taking the factors upside down. So 22 can be written as 2 into 11, and x and y are the variables, so they can be written as x into y. Now we need to write down the common factors of the 2y and 22xy. What is the common? So again 2 is the common and the y is common. So 2 into y, and that is why the product of this is what? 2y. So 2y is the common factors of the 2y and 22xy. Let's quickly move to the third example, 14p³ and 28p square q square. 14 can be written as 2 into 7 and p into q. So this is p into q. 28p square q square. If you have doubt in the factorization of the 28, quickly do the factorization. 28 is an even number. So even is a 2 can be divisible by 2. So dividing with 2, 14 2 is 28. Again 14 is an even number. 2 7 is 14 and 7 is a prime number itself. So 7 1 is 7. We will write the factors upside down. Now 28 can be written as 2 into 2 into 7. P square it can be written as p into p, and the q square can be written as q into q. Now common factors of the 14pq and 28p square q square. Let's find it. So 2 we will write 2, then 7 we will write 7, then p we will write p, and the q we will write q. So common factors are 2 into 7 into p into q. So 2 7s are 14 into pq. Taking the product of that is the 14pq. We will continue this whole exercise. Stay connected and like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.